Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If TikTok is suddenly preventing you from following new accounts, you have likely triggered an automated rate limit or encountered an app glitch. I will show you exactly how to identify the cause and fix this following problem right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure you haven't simply hit TikTok's built-in spam prevention limits. The platform heavily restricts mass following to roughly 200 accounts per day and often caps you at around 25 to 30 accounts per hour. If you have been rapidly following multiple profiles recently, the only fix is to completely stop interacting and wait for your hourly or daily limit to automatically reset. Next, if you are certain you haven't hit any follow limits, we need to report the bug directly through the application's support hub. Open TikTok, tap your profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap the three-line menu at the top right. Select Settings and Privacy, scroll down the page, and tap on Report a Problem. Finally, you must navigate to the specific troubleshooting category to manually submit your ticket. Tap on Follow and select Unable to follow a user. Tap No under the resolution prompt and select Need more help. Clearly explain your issue in the text box, attach a screenshot of the error if possible, and tap Submit to send your appeal directly to the support team. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.